Did you know that you can make your own powdered sugar? Last week I was making cinnamon rolls and I went to my cabinet to pull some out and realized I had just a smidgen, but I knew that there was an answer. I had heard that you can take regular granulated sugar, cane sugar, and actually make it into powdered sugar. And so I did. Here's some that I've already made, but let me show you. First of all, if you're going to do this, I would recommend for sure using organic sugar. So I've got a cup here. I'm just going to put it into my blender. Now, this is a Blendtec. It is a high-powered blender. This may very well, I would imagine it should work really with any blender, but this is going to be noisy, and I'm just going to pulse it. And that's it. So I'm going to get a spoon so you can see. Ooh, that's dusty. Okay, so I need to do it a little bit longer. And that's the beauty of this. See the smoke? You can actually tell, you can actually tell the difference. Okay, that is definitely more like powdered sugar. Yeah, see? You can tell, nice and white, it's nice and fluffy, and you cannot see any granules at all. So next time when you run out of regular powdered sugar, it doesn't take much, just a few seconds. You can go from being just regular white sugar to being beautiful powdered sugar. And again, I would definitely recommend buying organic. Give it a try and let me know. This is Coach Maggie with more healthy tips. Stay with me.